How to sign out Gmail account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign out of Gmail account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to sign out Gmail account, what you can do is first you can open up Gmail. Now then tap on the profile icon at the top right. Now here, what you need to understand is Gmail doesn't give you an option to log out, right? Or sign out. So what you can do is you can switch to another account, or you can simply tap on manage accounts on this device at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap there, you'll get the list of accounts there. As you can see, simply select the particular Google or the Gmail account that you wish to log out and then tap on remove account. Once you do so, what it does is it'll sign you out, it'll remove the account from your device, and it'll sign you out as well. So this way you can sign out Gmail account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.